What's up, everyone? I want to talk to you about this really nice jump starter for your car. Also has an air compressor built in, as well as an LED light, so you can use it on the roadside at night, be able to see what you're doing. So this thing's really nice, easy to use. Simply turn it on. Has different modes to it. So you can see, I like the PSI setting here. So it has it for your bike, has it for a basketball, and then you can also adjust it for your car as well. So on the top of here is the LED light that shines super bright. You have your charging port here, and then this is a USB port, so you can charge your phone or other devices on here as well. And then you have your up and down button to adjust the PSI levels. On the side here is for the engine start. So we're gonna plug it in there. So it comes with your standard red and black cable. You take this and you plug it right into here, just like that. And you're simply gonna connect red to red and black to black, and you are good to go. To fire it up, you just hit this button right here and you'd be all set. Another really cool feature is that it does have an air compressor on the side, so we're simply gonna connect this tube right into here, spin it around a few times nice and tight, and we're good to go. So you can fill up basketballs, car tires, and bike tires nice and easily with this. You could also use this to fill up air mattresses with some of these different attachments here. So you get 4 different attachments. And let me show you how easy this thing is to use. So it's just your standard needle. You're simply going to put it in there, tighten it up, kind of moisten the needle a little bit. We're going to turn this on to about 6 PSI and just hold the power button. It's going to start right up. The ball's nice and firm. I love the rugged design of it as well. It's a nice hard plastic. You know that's going to be durable, especially that it's rechargeable. It's lightweight and portable. So if you're looking for a great jump starter that has a built-in air compressor and the LED light, this is a great choice. You always want one of these in an emergency. Just have it in your car. That way it's ready to go whenever you need it. So I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.